Hey, what's up, you guys? Back with another video. And today we're gonna do $100. Let's see how far we can take $100. And we're gonna play some Baccarat with 10% each session. And we're taking a walk to the Grand Hotel. Let's get across this red light. And today is Wednesday, September 3rd. And I'll see you guys inside the grind. Hey guys, we're gonna put 100 in. And we're gonna play the, where's Baccarat?
Player 2, banker 0, player wins.
Okay, let's see the history. Alright, since player was last, we're gonna go banker with 5. I'm gonna play the chops. Looks like a pretty choppy board.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 8, banker 8, time.
That's a tie.
Place your bets.
Let's go back with banker. We're only gonna play the chops, not the drops.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 6, banker 5, player
Okay. So we're gonna
Place your
double.
bet.
Double down on banker. My thing is, if banker loses twice in a row, we'll let one hand go through.
Finish betting.
That's starting the streak. We'll get him on the 4th one.
No more bets. Player 7, banker 8, banker wins. Place your bets.
Okay, so we got that 5 back. So let's go to player with 5. I'm trying to make it so that two wins are is a 10% goal.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 6, banker 5.
All right, so
player
that's
wins.
our 10% goal. I'm gonna go 5 on banker. Now we're going for 10% of the 110.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 7, banker 0, player wins. Place your bets.
Let's go. Banker for 10. It looks like it's choppy.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 7, banker 7, time.
That's a tie.
Place your bets.
Let's go back with 10.
No more bets. Player 6. Banker 2. Player
All
wins.
right. So
Place your
after
bet.
3, we're just gonna let it streak out. We're not gonna bet anything.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 2. Banker 4.
Now
Banker wins.
Now let's go back on.
Place your bet.
Let's go back on player with 5. We got to get to 120.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 9. Banker 8. Player wins. Place your bet.
Okay, let's go back on. Let's go back on player. Let's go 10 on player.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player
Wow,
8.
natural 9.
Banker 9. Banker wins.
Okay, let's go 20.
Place your bets.
Let's go 20 on player.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 9. Banker 0. Player wins.
Okay, so we're
Place
back.
your bet.
We're back at 100. So let's go 10 on banker. Just playing the chops. It's a choppy board.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 7. Banker 8. Banker wins.
All right, so that got us back to the 110. So let's go 5 on. Let's go 5 on banker. Can't chop forever.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 3. Banker 4. Banker wins.
Okay, so just one more win.
Place your bets.
One more win, and that's gonna put us at our goal. But I'm not gonna bet this round. I'm gonna sit out this round. Cause after 2, sometimes it streaks. I'm gonna wait for the chops.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 1. Banker 8. Banker wins.
Looks like banker's going on a run. I'm gonna sit out this hand too.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 0.
It looks like
Banker
banker's going on a
9.
run. So we're gonna come back in on this run, see if we can capitalize off this run.
Place your bet.
Just go 5 on banker.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 3.
Oh, that was the end of the run.
1. Player
So
wins.
let's play the chop.
Place your bets.
I'm gonna go 5 on player for the chop. So 6.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 4. Banker 6. Banker wins. Place your bets.
Okay, let's go. Let's go 12.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 3. Banker 4. Banker wins.
Okay, banker's
Place
going
your
another
bet.
run. Let's just go. We're down 18. So let's just go 9.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 8. Banker 5. Player wins.
All right.
Place your
Let's see if we can get see if we can get two players, because it's only been one for a while.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 2. Banker 1. Player wins.
So we need 9 more bucks.
Place your bets.
Let's go back to banker. Let's take that down.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 2. Banker 8. Banker
So we just
wins.
need 4 bucks. We need 4 bucks for let's play the chop. We need 4 bucks to get our 10% session for part 2.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 5.
All right,
Banker
that's 9.
9. Banker wins.
All right, let's go 8.
Place your bet.
Hopefully when I see in the street.
Finish betting. No more bets. Player 7. Banker.
There you go. So that
0.
can
Bets.
and we started with 100. We made 20%. That's 120. So we're gonna end the video there, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Place your bets.